Raise your hand if you don't think you have what it takes to be a UGC content creator because you might be too old or because you might not have the skills. If either of those are true, you need to watch this. I'm 58, almost 59, and I make real money, like bill paying money, creating UGC content, and I do it right here in this tiny little cottage. It's only 600 square feet. And starting today, I am going to create a series of YouTube videos for you, the new content creator, the one that knows she's got what it takes to be a UGC content creator if she just knew the skills and knew how to make the videos, knew how to do the editing. I am calling this my UGC Portfolio Bootcamp series here on YouTube. This is week 1. And we're going to talk about the different types of how-to videos. I'm breaking this down nice and easy pace because I know UGC can be so overwhelming. And over the next weeks, we're going to be covering all the different types of videos like unboxings, how-to videos, green screen videos, voiceover videos. And I'm even going to follow it up with really easy tutorials for CapCut or InShot. Which editing software do you use? Let me know in the comments because I'll make sure that I include that. This series is going to be for new creators who actually want to know what it takes to be a UGC content creator. But you need someone to take it really slow, and I promise you I got you. So you caught the UGC bug, you really think you have what it takes to become a UGC content creator, but you just need help. You need that support. You're not really ready to go out and buy any fancy courses yet because you're just not there. Honestly, you're here watching this video with me right now, so you are ready. So I think we should get started. How-to videos are the perfect place to start because you're helping people solve problems with the product. Brands hire you to do a how-to video when they want their customer to see how to use a product, what to do with that product. They would rather it come from you than hiring a production team. They want the honesty of that, the authenticity of your opinions and your thoughts and your perspective. Are you ready to unpack this? I'm going to show you 5 different types of how-to videos. Number 1, the classic product demo. I'm going to show you how these under eye patches work because you know at our age we need all the help we can get, right? See how I'm not being all performative? I'm just showing you exactly how to apply these patches, where to put them on my face, the appropriate way to use them. That's why brands love videos like this because it shows the customer exactly what they're going to buy. Number 2 is how to work something into your normal routine. This is my normal probiotic. And instead of just saying, I take this probiotic, I'm going to show you exactly how I fit it into my schedule. I take it with my first sip of coffee because that's when I actually remember. See, this isn't some perfect morning. It's just real life for me. And that's what brands want. I just film myself in my routine and do a little voiceover. Number 3 is how to get the most bang for your buck. This $12 mandolin from Amazon can do the work of like several different kitchen tools. I'm showing you multiple uses for this mandolin by actually chopping up different vegetables on the camera. Brands eat this kind of content up because it really showcases their product. Number 4 is showing people how to choose between 2 similar products. I've been testing these powders and I'm going to show you the differences between the 2. The vanilla one is way more frothy and the chocolate one is way creamier. I'm not going to say which one is better. I'm going to let you decide based on how I describe them. You get to decide which one works for your needs. And number 5 is my personal favorite, the problem solver. Showing someone how something works to solve a problem for them. This little tool has been such a win to get rid of my headaches in my eyes. So I'm showing you the problem and the solution and the results. This hooks viewers immediately because they're thinking, oh my gosh, I have the same problem. Okay, let's review the types. You have the product demo, you have the product integration, you have the maximize value how-to, you have the comparison or choice how-to, and then finally you have the problem solver. Which one have you already tried? And which one are you maybe curious to try? Let me know in the comments. So here's what I want you to know. You are gonna try these videos. You're going to shoot, you're gonna reshoot, you're gonna hate them, and that's perfectly okay. That's totally normal to fumble, for it to not look right, for you to put so much work into it and then look back on it and think, oh my God, that was terrible. I know all my early videos were horrific. And even now today, I'll still make horrible videos and have to start all over. But you get better with time. You get better the more videos you do. You have to put in your time. What will make you get hired by brands? What gets me hired is my authenticity, is my realness, is my ability to laugh at myself when I mess up. Because remember, brands aren't looking for perfection. If they were, they would hire a production team. They would hire actors and actresses. They want you because you're real. You're going to give them real. By the way, if you are loving this energy and this vibe, I am telling you that I have a free community of over 400 women just like you who are new, who are just figuring it all out. You can come join anytime you want. It's called the Content Creators Hub. The link is in the description below. We even have coffee on Fridays. So come hang out with us. Content creation is a lonely job, people. We need friends. And this is like having your own support group of best friends. Come back to it anytime you're ready. I'm going to give you some homework if you want it. If you don't, that's okay. But if you really want this, I want you to try. I want you to pick one of these 5 how-to types of videos. I want you to choose a product from your home, something that you're familiar with and you really love. And then I want you to film it in your camera app, not in TikTok, not in Instagram, but in your camera. Should I say on your camera? In your camera, on your camera. Now, brands usually want you to film stuff in 4K at 30 FPS. So when you're doing a job for someone, they will tell you how they want it filmed. You might want to practice doing that for this video. If you need help with camera settings, just let me know in the comments. And you want to do the same when you export from your editing software. So if you're in CapCut and you export the video, you want to make sure those settings are 4K at 30 FPS. I just want you to try it at least once. Obviously, when you're practicing, you don't want to do this. It takes up way too much memory, but try it one time, see what you think. I also would love to see this video in a 9:16 ratio. And here's the challenge, try making it 30 seconds. That's so hard, so much harder than you think. I want you to practice doing one for 1 minute long and maybe do a second one for 30 seconds. You have to practice both skills, it's completely different. If this video is giving you confidence, like, hey, I think I could actually do this, would you consider hitting subscribe? Because you know, as a woman, we need to support each other, and it would mean the world to me because I'm a brand new YouTuber. And you know what? Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest fear of becoming a UGC content creator? Because I would love to know how I can help you. I will respond to all the comments. Next week, we're diving into the technical stuff. Don't be scared. We're going to do some tutorials on the how-to videos and how to edit them simply, but to make them a little more visually exciting. I'll show you the process that I started with, and then you can follow along with me and try it yourself. And don't worry about the overwhelm or the anxiety or the nervousness. I promise you, I got you. We're just going to take everything nice and slow and master one technique at a time. You got this, lady girls. Bye.